Assalamu Olaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back with another video. This is Mamun. I'm a content creator as well as English trainer. I hope you are fit and fine. I am so well by the grace of Allah. Today I'm going to teach you the definition of two words like fish versus fishes. So there is a big difference between fish and fishes. So let's see. Get in the video, and most of the people don't know that how to use this kind of word. Okay, so let's see. Don't worry about that. I'm here. I'd like to make you understand whatever I have. Okay, so let's get started. Fish, it is a singular noun as well as plural, but how to use? Okay, so let's see that you can, if you want to create any sentence, at first you have to add count like 3, 4, 5, 6. So let's two example. That is how we can understand. Like yesterday I caught 3 fish. Yesterday I caught 3 fish. Okay, I have to count like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, or you can say my father gave me 10 fish. Okay, so fish as well as like plural. But how to use and how to create any sentence, like you can say there are many fish in the river, or you can say there are many fish in the pond. You won't be able to use fishes. Okay, because fish is singular, and this is plural. Okay, so let's see the another meaning of fishes. So what is the meaning of fishes? Okay, if you have to use this word, you must use like es. But how? I'm going to make you understand. Like there is a pond or there is a river, and you can say like there are many fishes in the river. But why am I using fishes? Because there are different kind of fish, like such as hilsa fish, prawn fish, katla fish, pangas fish, ruhu fish. So that is how we can use this word fishes. You can say there are many fishes in the river, or you can say there are different kind of fishes in the river. Okay, I hope you are getting my point, what I'm trying to say, and so far you are watching this video. If do you have any confusion, so do you have any doubt, please make a comment. I must reply you. Okay, so till then, take care. Assalamu alaikum.